How to edit caption on Facebook Reels after posting. So if you want to edit caption on your Facebook Reels after posting, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your application, now you need to go with the top right, which has that profile option, and then tap on the name or the profile. Scroll down, and here you will have your Reels or your post. So just simply go with the reel that you would like to edit the caption for. You can go with reel or post, it's the same option. So just select your reel and then go with the right side, which has that three dots, and tap on edit reel or edit post. Now here you will have your caption. Just simply go with your caption and then change your caption and go with save, and that's it. Now if you reload your page and if you scroll down, then you can see that the caption has been changed. So that's how you can edit caption on your Facebook Reels after posting. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.